they occur, ensuring a smoother, more efficient, and cost-effective production process. AI ensures products meet the mark. Quality control once relied on human inspectors. AI is changing the game with vision systems. These systems use cameras and AI algorithms. They detect even the smallest defects, ensuring only top-quality products reach the market. AI-powered quality control reduces waste, enhancing accuracy, consistency, and efficiency. Section 5. The human touch, how AI is freeing up workers. There's a common misconception that robots are coming to take away our jobs. In reality, AI and automation are creating new opportunities for human workers. By taking over repetitive and dangerous tasks, robots are freeing up human workers to focus on more fulfilling and rewarding work. This shift in responsibilities allows workers to develop new skills and advance their careers. They can move into roles that require creativity, problem-solving, and interpersonal skills, areas where humans excel. The future of manufacturing is not about robots replacing humans, but about humans and robots working together. It's about leveraging the strengths of both to create a more efficient, productive, and fulfilling work environment. AI is not here to eliminate jobs, but to enhance them. It's about empowering human workers to reach their full potential by taking on more challenging and rewarding roles in the factories of the future. Section 6. A look ahead, embracing the future of smart factories. The factory of the future is a smart factory. It's a place where machines are connected, data is king, and AI is the driving force. This interconnectedness allows for real-time monitoring, analysis, and optimization of the entire production process. The benefits of this transformation are numerous. Smart factories are more efficient, producing more output with fewer resources. They are more agile, able to adapt to changing market demands quickly. And they are more sustainable, minimizing waste and environmental impact. But the true power of the smart factory lies in its ability to empower human workers. By providing them with real-time data and insights, AI gives workers the tools they need to make better decisions, solve problems more effectively, and drive innovation. The future of manufacturing is exciting. It's a future where humans and robots work together, seamlessly and efficiently, in smart factories that are revolutionizing the way we design, manufacture, and deliver products to the world.